What's good, YouTube? Damn, that intro was kind of rusty. What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Chosen Pharaoh back with another reaction video. This week we're gonna react to, I don't know, this was kind of a random video that I chose. This week's most viewed doorbell videos. So let's get it. I don't know what to expect. Let's just
Albuquerque,
get it.
New Mexico. This person rings the bell at 3:30 in the morning.
Oh, okay. I
And
know.
has
I
no
guess I know
idea.
why. I know why I chose this because one of my neighbors recently moved out, but they still left their ring camera, and it's been, I would say it's been like a whole month, and I recently just took that shit down and put it in the mailbox, bro. Because like you don't even like live here no more. Yet you come back for a package. Yet you can't still take get that shit off the wall.
Who the landlord is. Let's see what he has to say.
You can do it now.
Hey, I'm curious if you were looking for a husband. I'd like to put my hat in the ring.
Fuck that.
I just clocked it. I'm sorry, it took me long enough. Hurry. Let's do it.
Hell no.
The random visit at 12:04 is very spooky. Never,
Yes.
ever leave your doors open.
Word.
And it's asking me to listen to Ashley Smith asking why her damn fucking dad don't shut the fuck up about some fucking penny. Well then why aren't you shutting your mouth? Because I'm tired of getting fucking raped. Do you not fucking hear me?
What?
Well then shut the fuck your mouth.
This man damaged the library, and now he has to repair the entire door
Because
that
that's your
fell.
fucking mess. Yes it is.
I apologize for the language.
Somebody scam me so
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
He's
Watch this thief
definitely
carefully
intoxicated.
and you'll be happy about what's about to happen. Lately, these thefts can be very annoying. Be careful and always lock your car.
Hey, I see you! I see you! I see you! Get the fuck away from my car, motherfucker!
What did he steal out the car though? Nah,
He
that's
said
crazy.
hit my shit. What was right there? I don't know what he did.
We have a mailbox thief in broad daylight.
Got the V long.
Remote?
Baltimore, Maryland. These two strangers start jumping the fence to rob the house.
Bro, I wish. No, I don't.
As soon as he touches the camera, the security alarm is activated, and these two friends give themselves away. This cat has already seen what's coming. A thief in the middle of the night, and he had the audacity to tell her to shut up for telling him to get out of the garden. Let's see what happens.
Don't go after it. Don't go after it.
Nigeria.
Shut up.
How many times can a house be robbed? For 3 years, this woman's house has been burglarized, and last night, a bicycle was stolen again.
Why would you leave your
What I
bikes
don't understand
open
is why
like
this
that?
owner, who has been burglarized so many times, still leaves things outside.
Right. That's really
Louisville,
dangerous.
Kentucky. There is a man in veranda, and he is trying to steal something. When the homeowner calls out to this thief, he continues to steal without paying any attention.
Excuse me.
He probably just ignored it.
Excuse me.
It seems that people are not afraid of getting caught anymore. I guess the penalties do not
No
attract
fucks.
them anymore. New Albany, Indiana. One of the things that surprised and frightened me the most was this video. This man tried to break into the apartment yesterday. He tried to break in several times in the same night. He was finally arrested on his 4th attempt. They come into the foyer. He checks the door and looks into the mailboxes. He notices the camera, tells the girl, and they leave. This guy came in and tried to ring the bell. Luckily, the neighbour upstairs noticed him. And let's see what happens. The cops are looking for someone named Gina, but it looks like they got the wrong house. Let's see what happens.
Hello, Sheriff's Office. Is Gina here?
I beg your pardon?
Is Gina here?
No.
Do you know Gina?
No.
You've never heard of Gina?
No.
How long have you lived here?
4 or 5 years.
Who else lives here with you?
My brother Jack.
That's it? Is this 1743?
This is 1725.
25. Okay. Do you know where 1743 is? In maps or right here?
No, it isn't here.
Okay.
It's got to be down the street. If it's
His
43.
voice.
you're on Lafayette.
Yeah.
What are you, Sheriff's Department?
Sheriff's Department.
Yeah. Okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah. It should be down. I think the numbers get larger as you go down that
Yeah,
way.
and you said this is 25?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is 1725.
Cool. Is this all one house?
Yeah, this is all one house.
Okay, perfect. You have a good one. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, no. We appreciate everything you guys do, man.
Thank you, sir.
Colorado Springs, Colorado. This man is a milk thief. He follows the
thief?
milk truck and steals milk. These people steal everything.
Like, I don't got no comment. There's no comment for that. Nigga stealing milk.
Keep your eyes peeled. Attempted burglary. He tried the
Why he got like 3 layers of clothes? Is he probably trying to stay warm?
door and the window. The homeowner called 911 and
Look like he
reported
got
it,
4 layers of clothes on.
but did not know if he was caught.
Excuse me, can I help you?
That look like a nice ass house.
Hello?
That's a nice ass house.
Hello?
Bench on each side with a swinging bench.
Can I help you?
Oh, sorry, I got the wrong house. I got the wrong place. I'm leaving.
Okay, please leave. Yes, thank you.
I didn't know anybody lived here. I'm sorry. Well, I pretty much apologize.
Yeah, no, definitely live here, and it's pretty obvious, so please leave.
Okay.
With a house like that, hell yeah.
What did he say?
He's trying to get into our house.
He was not.
He was looking at the windows. And he fucking asshole just didn't even leave a.
You're kidding me. He was looking in our house?
Yes, and he just fucking left the gate open.
A random man comes to our door. Watch your step. That was really funny.
Hey, yo.
Kansas City, Missouri. Make sure your car doors are locked. 5 young boys were walking around and checking the doors. They tried the landlord's car. Luckily, he was outside. These kids are really dangerous.
I forgot, I'm not streaming. I just have to edit this. Should be good now. Hopefully I'm in the frame. Oh, it should be good.
Dangerous, and they travel in groups.
Where you going?
Somebody just touched it.
Check this, a guy
Yeah.
is frightened of the homeowner's cat.
Oh, that's a madman.
What are you doing? Get the fuck off my lawn. I'm calling the police. Get the fuck off my lawn.
Oh, shit.
Atlanta, Georgia. A pervert spying on your house. The landlord has a few words
Away
for him.
from my door before I call the police.
Let's see what happens.
And don't ever come on my property again. Get away from my door. It's 10:40 p.m. I don't know what you could need.
Like, what are you turning around for?
Last night at 3:46 a.m., someone stole the chairs. You will no longer be able to put even a simple chair to sit on your verandas, which is very sad. Phoenix, Arizona.
You do it to every person that drives this way. Maybe I'm joking. I left the broom here on your lawn. Your lawn is dirty.
Please leave the property immediately. You are being monitored.
There's a broom on your lawn and trash. I don't have a rake. How close? They call it in yet? This way. His pitch. Okay, there's different. I'll leave you alone.
Watch out for this guy. He tries to steal doorbells, Ring cameras with through our mail and broke the land.
His pitch. Oh my god, I will get triggered up.
Watch this woman carefully. She comes in the middle of the night and shows different movements, causing the homeowner to be uneasy when he saw this image.
Please.
What the fuck is she on?
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
Can I come first?
Shit.
I'm desperate. I'm desperate.
Oh, no,
Tens of millions of dollars. Please, can I come in for a minute? Please, I'm desperate. They're gonna. Please, you're right.
What are you doing for?
Please. I know I'm crazy right now because they're gonna shoot me right now. Those people right there. Look at right there. They're gonna kill me. Please. I'm desperate. I'm desperate.
Obviously.
Please, I'm desperate. I know I look crazy because I'm dehydrated and I'm terrified.
You more than Shorty said she's dehydrated.
Please, I'm desperate. What?
What?
You're not gonna help me.
It looks like he's used something and needs help. Brooklyn, New York. The girl comes to the door with a pocket knife, jumps on the homeowner and tries to stab him. It's really scary. Let's see what happens.
Y'all. Damn.
What's that thing in your hand that looks like the yolk of an egg?
I mean, I hear you walking like she can't answer.
Elmhurst. These three package thieves are robbing in veranda when a homeowner spots them.
Are you taking that? Huh? Are you taking this?
No, we're delivering it.
No, it's not yours.
Delivering it.
It's funny that they say they are delivery Forest Hills. These people are like something out of a zombie movie. You will understand why I'm saying this after watching this woman carefully. Elmhurst.
What the fuck?
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please.
That wasn't funny, guys. Jamaica. Crazy man knocks on the door at 4:37 in the morning and performs these strange movements. What would you do?
Nah. I'm trying to listen in for the Jamaican accent. This nigga just talking in silence to himself.
If you saw this man at your door at 4 in the morning,
boy, having a whole conversation.
Please write in the comments.
Yo, boy, having a whole conversation. He's not on Earth right now, bro.
South Richmond Hill, New York. There's a strange man at the door again, and he's trying to say something. Let's see what he wants.
Hi,
Hello?
how are you? My phone. died, and then I'm trying to charge my phone to get home, but no, I want to walk. Somebody said how nobody is here, live here or something like that. So I'm just trying to talk to people.
What, nigga? What the fuck are you talking about?
I know that talk to me, so I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to charge my phone. That's it. I don't want to leave. That's it. I have my phone and I can't even charge it because people in the back here don't want to talk to me. Like I'm not a person or something.
No.
Nah, he honestly. Nah, I don't.
I don't know. You don't know anybody in the area?
What you said?
You don't know anybody in the area?
I can charge my phone and I can leave. I'm saying I can't. I don't want to hang out in the back or nothing. I'm saying I'll stand in the front and the phone call my Uber and I can leave.
Yo, honestly, he seemed like, I don't know. I don't even know how to judge this shit. He seemed like he's just I almost said dehydrated. He's just not even drunk. I don't know. You can't trust anybody, y'all. Don't trust nobody. It just to me, it just seems like this dude just like had a night out. Phone died on him, and he ain't even trying to. Phone died on him. He gotta call his people before he get into the house type shit. He ain't got the keys.
The thief stole a pair of flip-flops at
He was
2:40.
like, I don't even need to be in the house or the back. I just need somebody to charge my phone.
5 a.m. You risk your face for a $20 pair of flip-flops? Just watch him. There are really a lot of strange people in America. Are they escaping from mental institutions or what?
Damn. Nigga, she's bigger than me, nigga.
Girl comes to my door with pocket knife trying to jump me and stab me.
I'm a teeny itty bitty polka dot bikini. What? Where you at? She's recording. Walking slowly. Nah. Yeah. You see what's up? Nigga, I heard her crawling. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Come on. Smoke, bitch. Come on. Nigga, I'm an itty winty. Teeny polka dot bikini. You gotta stop pulling up on my uncle like I want. Yeah. Whole ass bitch. Let's go. Stop pulling up on nobody's cars. Come on, let's go. I smack you. Come on.
Bayside, New York. Imagine a stranger sitting on the steps in front of your house, because this is what the owner is experiencing right now. Let's see what happens.
Hello? Can I help you? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, why are you sitting on my steps?
Sorry, I'm leaving.
Hello, can you please get off my property?
Nah, bro. Like, how you gonna willingly open up somebody's gate? I mean, you could have found somewhere else to sit down, B. Dude looked like he just willingly opened up his gate, sat on the porch to roll up. Bro. That's what it looked like.
Yes, I just told you I was leaving.
Yes, please. Sir, you're trespassing. I don't want to have to call the police. Please get off my property now.
Yeah, I'm picking up my bag. I'm going.
You're picking up what? Sir, why do you think it's acceptable to come onto my property? Please close the gate. Thank you and have a blessed day.
It was open, but I don't think that.
Yeah. Again, it's your private property. Thank you.
You must urgently stop thanking and being soft on these strangers who invade your private property. These package thieves are not even afraid of being caught anymore. They continue on their way without paying any attention.
Hello? Hello? Put it back. Hello?
No,
I have you on camera. Dumbass.
Even though the landlord realized that he stole the package and told him to leave it back.
I can't. I left my neighbor house over here, but he don't have electricity right now. So
This strange person comes to knock on my door and demanding me and my family to come to charge his phone, and he also went to the backyard walking. Please help share this video if anyone knows. Yeah, that's still strange activity.
I'm saying I left and my phone died.
I'm so glad I'm not live. crap. Well, at least it was my phone.
Long day. Billy. Long day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I guess that's your backpack now.
Yep. No, I have everything.
So don't walk on it. So you can walk around without moving. That cannot help. For it, it cannot stay with fix it. I'll put it on the top.
Yeah. And you said you already made something for them. I don't think I need to wear Alright, so yeah. I'll eat breakfast. I'll probably take one of those vanilla bars with me tomorrow.
You need one of those. You'll be at work. Don't take it with you.
Don't? Take it with me? I'm not going to use the little thing tomorrow.
You're not?
No. No.
How many classes you have tomorrow?
2.
Let me see. Let's see. How many people come down? You need it for the long days. But what if you get hungry?
Then I'm just going to wait until I come home and eat the beef steak.
No, you're not charging my shit.